So today it's time to take a look at the GEEKBUYING 320D. So this speaker is a bit of a different speaker than normally. So it has two tweeters built in, which give, they say themselves, a 360 sound. So I'm not sure if I would call it 360, but at least the tweeters do have a stereo separation. So one tweeter is doing the left channels and the other tweeter is doing the right channels. It does have one woofer, so a bit of a RACETRACK woofer like with the ABL speakers. And yeah, overall I do think it's pretty good setup, but I'm really curious if the audio with some tuning and everything will be alright as well. So of course you have the manual, you have some cables. I do love the cables of GEEKBUYING. They are like braided cables, so not like rubber, so you do have a bit more of a strength to it. But hey, it's all about the speaker today. So the speaker, cool design. Honestly, I do think it's one of the best built speakers I had in a long time. Like, this logo is very well designed and the button layout works very well. You have here like the power on, power off button, so you know how it's going. On the underside you have the passive radiator, but you also have like LED lights around it. And on the upper side also passive radiator, but no lights. So yeah, without further ado, I'm going to pair it up with my phone, turn on, and then we go to see how this speaker is performing in some audio sampling. So there's some lights. Here we go.
My effervescent blues. My devil creeps the tears in my room. But I know, you know it's not true. Through all the times you stayed into his mouth, through all my ribs that crack and stumble out. So how the hell we get so low?
You're still playing with the cold, never gonna bring me here. I'm still trying not to be nice, think twice, everybody's feeling bad. We've been living on the road, now slow down, everything will be alright. Don't go thinking it's a big deal, unreal, everybody's busy tonight. It's been hard, yeah. What's gonna feel like he's tripping lately? It's like my mind is a door to elevation. Need I say more interpretation? Can't stop moving for now. One something higher. So many colors they are made of. So straight higher. Can't stop moving now.
bit of audio testing, it definitely is a pretty cool thing. And yeah, like for example with this app, you have like custom EQ, you can set up a lot of things, and it all works pretty well. The only complaint I could have with this speaker is that the bass is there, but it's actually starting pretty low on the speaker. So like with other brands, you have like the bass a bit like earlier, and with this speaker it really starts a bit slower. It does give you the best option when you want to have the loud volume, because the bass is pretty much still there. So it doesn't have that extreme bass roll off as JBL has, but it also doesn't have like the middle way like Miva. So Miva really has like a pretty cool bass performance, and also on max volume still the bass is fine. But with the Weeking you really have to punch it a bit up in the volume, so you have this bass performance. Those LED lights on the side are pretty bright actually. They don't really have a lot of customization, so you do have like one light mode and then they are like turning around, blinking a bit and everything. And yeah, overall still pretty cool solid speaker, especially like the ports and everything, it's all there. And it's really rugged build, and I have no issues with this speaker, how it's made, and especially this two tweeter layout on the front and like this RACETRACK driver here. It's pretty cool setup, and it does give you a bit wider audio than normally this kind of design with the RACETRACK driver. So those two tweeters do make a difference, and especially because they do have a stereo separation on those tweeters. I tested out with an audio sample. You do have a bit more of a wider audio than with other RACETRACK driver speakers. So yeah, definitely a cool thing, and especially for the $80 or something, it's really not a bad speaker. And yeah, again, waterproof, build, everything great. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you guys in the next one. I will also do some comparisons with the Weeking.